Do you enjoy drawing faces but have difficulty with the hard parts like the eyes, the nose, the mouth? Well, try one of these. It's a peephole. Brilliant for helping you draw those difficult parts of a face. All you need is a sheet of paper, cut a hole in the middle, any shape or size that you like, and then take a photograph of a face from a magazine, or one of yourself if you've got one, and simply scan the photograph, and through the peephole, put the bit that you want to draw. Now I'm going to try an eye. Then you take this. This is the bit that you cut out from the peephole, lie it right next to your peephole, and it's simply a case of copying exactly what you can see through the peephole onto your cut out piece of paper. I'm going to start here with the shape of the eye. Now this is a brilliant method. It really works. It helps you draw those parts that you might find a bit difficult to do. And the reason it works is because it draws your attention right into the centre of what's in the peephole. So all we're seeing at the moment is the eye, and we're forgetting about the rest of the face. Of course, you don't have to do the eye. You can do any part you like. There it is. Got all the flesh colour in there. And it's roughly got the shape of the eye. It doesn't matter if you go over onto this part of the paper. There it is. There's the shape. Now I'm going to put this shading in. You can see this line down here. Just draw exactly what you see through the peephole. In fact, sometimes you even forget that you're drawing the part of a face. Well, that's the whole idea. Just bring that shading around there, a bit in shadow there, so I'll put that in. Now, the eye itself, I'll do that again in brown. There it is, the eyelashes. Nice dark brown for them, just around the edge. And around the top, they're a bit darker, so I'll press harder. And I'm just drawing exactly what I can see through the peephole. Now, the good bit, the middle of the eye. So I'm just going to do around the edge of the iris, make it nice and black. Just usually have a black ring around the edge. And then the colour of the iris itself, make that a nice blue. There it goes. Just drawing exactly what I can see through that peephole. And then the middle bit, which is the pupil, great tip this, always put those shiny bits right on the edge of the pupil, because it gives you drawing life. There it is. And a little bit of, looks like bloodshot corner there. Probably tied eyes. And a little bit of shading just around the edge of the eye. And there it is. Not a bad job, even though I say so myself. And of course, you can take away your peephole, put your picture over the top, just to see how good it really is. Try it yourself. Pick any part of the face and give yourself a peephole attack.
There again. So, if you're going to be drawing something, pull out a peephole, place it over your picture, then just draw what you can see. In my case, it's a piece of work.